People who are dissatisfied with their jobs or those who are no longer happy with the corporate environment find online coaching to be a rewarding alternative. These people can continue to work using their expertise without the dirty office politics. They can work at the comfort of their own home, have direct control over their working hours, and decide as to how much they are going to make while having themselves as their own boss. In this video, we are sharing 5 steps to start an online coaching business. Step number 1. Conduct market research on your teaching subject. Just like when you are building any type of business, you need to know if you are really going to profit before you even sink your teeth into it. Research the market that you are going to target and the people that you would like to serve. Is the market too saturated? Do they need another coach? Are the people who are currently offering coaching programs no longer making money? Step number 2. Write a business plan and register your business as well. A business plan serves as a roadmap of your business with short-term goals as well as long-term goals. You can take your business plan out from time to time to make sure you are not veering from your original goals. A business plan is a place to brainstorm how your business will expand in the future. This almost forces you to look for other products and services to add to your business. The second step is to write a business plan for your online coaching business. Step number 3. Get a powerful website. If your market research suggests that you are most likely to make huge amount of money from this endeavor, you can start building your own website. Start by getting a domain name that is both keyword rich and easy to remember. Then have it designed by a professional and make it visually appealing and easy to navigate. After that, fill it up with useful content. Make it a great source of information and ensure that it mirrors your expertise and authority in your niche, so people who pay you a visit will know right away that you are somebody to be trusted. If you don't know anything about website, you can either take the time to learn this or you can hire someone who is skilled in search engine optimization in order to get your site higher in the search rankings so people can find you. Step number 4. Be visible online. People who are looking for coaching programs are most likely to sign up with those coaches that they regularly see online. You would want to be one of those people. So aside from advertising your programs through PPC and banner ads, be visible on forums, blogs and other online communities as well. This means logging to these portals on a regular basis to answer questions, to share your in-depth knowledge, to discuss latest issue in your niche and to share trade secrets. By this, you can prove to your prospect how much you know your chosen field. Step number 5. Be willing to share your expertise for free. People online wouldn't just believe you when you tell them that you are an expert or that you can help them make money online or improve the quality of their lives. As they say, to see is to believe. So give these people some proofs. Share a slice of your in-depth knowledge by writing and distributing articles, by giving answers and advice on forums, through blogging, and by publishing your YouTube videos. The main thing you need to do is write a business plan for your business and solve your business problems easily just by following your business plan weekly. If you found this video helpful, then do like, share and subscribe this channel to get future videos.